are you? How's my stream so far? I streamed for an hour and then I had to stop for an hour and now I'm back streaming. And I have terrible allergies today because I keep sneezing. Yeah, new phone used number, exactly. What the hell is the difference? One is $50 and one's 80. Wait. That's not even the one I'm using. Tried to run 2 on PC Sims benchmark. Wow! Overkill. Sun coming up soon.
No, you definitely have to do that because it's gonna happen soon. Like what? 3 a.m.?
Yeah, I mean, I'm starting to... Yeah, it is one of those days. Like your drunk, depressed character? Hey. Chill stream, good music. Alright, I'm glad you guys are chilling. I know, I don't go to buy a new phone. I actually... Excuse me. I actually just got a new phone. You think I can move this? No, it's gonna be a terrain thing.
I wasn't entirely sure about this one, but...
Oh, I swung off a thing.
Be on you.
Okay.
It'll just be on me.
This music is loud. What the hell? Warp your ship to another galaxy? I can't warp it. I've tried warping it. I can't warp my ship. It's... Someone here. Oh, I could like barely see them. You're so little. I am ready to go to Undercity.
Embrace the shadow.
Excuse me. Oh god, I need to put my stuff back on. Guess we stay here somewhere. Oh my god, the sneezing is ridiculous today.
You earned long ago, brother.
Jesus. Telemancy beacons placed. Blackrock forces slain. Alright, so there's a beacon I need to place over there. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Another day. Hey, the public is sympathetic with us now, so you know. So Amanda's a robot. You charged? Did
Well, I'm about to find out. What's your name?
Marcus.
I was glad to meet you, Marcus.
Bring me here.